Here we are. Here we are. Let's get into it. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. This is WGS. Okay? We're going to get into it. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, look here. Look here. This is why we're talking about it. Do you see this up 1,396% year to date, up 980 for the year? Okay? You see that? See what I'm talking about? We're going to get into it. Very exciting. So, this is the full name. The only part we need is this in order to buy it and trade it. Okay, $40.40 outperforming. That's very nice. I like when, I don't want to show you garbage stocks where, it's just barely holding on and this is like a one or a two, but it's doing well. It's like, what's that about? All right, so we have an increase here, moderate consensus. Things are looking good. Things are looking good. I said, let me just go through this quickly, show you some stuff there. Oh, and by the way, see? See? Look at this. How much more do you want? How much more do you want? Especially at a low price stock. Especially at a low price stock. You have to do your own homework on this company. Okay, you have to do your own homework. But let me go over here. I wanted to show you earnings. Green, earnings, green, earnings. Okay, and then we have earnings coming up again in the future. So that wasn't. This is quarterly information, annually. So you can see that earnings, green dot, green dot, green dot, green dot. Okay. Next earnings coming up 50 days from now. Wanted to walk you through that. The further into the video, the more information you're going to like and want to see. So stay with me further into the video. More proof is there. Proof is in the pudding. So showed you the earnings. All right. So you're like, okay, Miss Moneymaker, what's so fabulous about this? That everything is just coming together. Okay, so also look at that. What about that? See down here? Okay. This bottom graph correlates to up here. What's happening up here? When it's green and it's going up, this means this is going up. You see how these lines are open? They're supposed to be open. That means it has more room to go up. That's what this is talking about. This is called the MACD. The MACD is open and it looks good. Okay, it looks good. You see this blue line? It's not curving. It's not even trying to curve down right now. It's still reaching. We have room to go up there. I said, let me show my viewers this, okay? So you make sure that you know this. So now how much of percent can we make here? Okay, so let's say if it goes something like that, we have a nice 25%. That's cute. That's adorable, especially with something that only costs a little bit, okay? All right, so that is adorable. So now, what else did I want to show you? Now, it's something I want to remind you of. You see how when we hit this resistance up here, we bounce down, right? People sell and everything. When we get here, okay, people, let go. Let go. If you want to hold, because, of course, it's been doing well for a long time, but put some profit in your pocket, okay? Instead of riding it all the way back down again. Okay, I would solo here, let it come down, buy some more, and then rinse and repeat. Okay, and then sell again. So rinse and repeat. That's what I would say. Now, but the one thing I want to make sure I say now, I was going to say this at the end of the video, but let me say it now. Make sure if this stock falls out of this blue line, okay, too far out of this blue line. See, it can fall a little bit out of the blue line, and that's fine. But if it goes, no, let go, let go, let go. You better not be holding it all the way down. No, let go. So you need to have some kind of stop loss in place for yourself. Somewhere where okay, if it goes below a certain amount or whatever you're selling, okay, So make a plan for yourself about this. This is something I wanted to bring up because this is just based on how the chart is looking, past performance. You're going to do your homework about the company, but I wanted to make sure I showed you something that is doing, like, come on, because we don't see this every day. And then it's a small price too. So now, on to the next thing. Last but not least, okay, you're like, Miss Moneymaker, what are you showing me? Focus, let's focus. What I'm saying is, okay, you'll be able to understand it. When it's red, that means sell, right? When the arrows are pushing down. When the arrows are blue and they're pushing up, okay, you know what that means. It means to buy. So, of course, down here, blue out, buy. There's no red right here right now, okay? So it's not saying to sell right now. So it seems like we have a little bit of room to go, and this is why I'm bringing it up. Also, can you see this like this? Okay. Where we were hitting this area, $35, $36, right? We were hitting it. Okay. It was resistance and stuff. When we finally broke above, we came kind of close to it, see, and it was support. So if we come back to this level too, sorry, I'm just trying to go to the blue line. Hold on. If we come back to this level again, that will probably be support. Just in case you want to set a buy alert to buy at that price. Okay, to pick some up. That should be some nice support. Remember, don't hold it all the way down in here. No, if this happens, this negates the whole thesis. We weren't planning on that, so you let go. But I wanted to make sure I showed you, hey, this is open and this is good. It's going up. That's bullish. Blue arrow, we're bullish. This is bullish. Okay, past performance doesn't mean it's going to predict the future. But before I leave you, I wanted to say this quote from Mr. Man here. Okay, he said, study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. So study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. I mean, this stuff was fabulous. It still is fabulous. So just wanted to share that. Click like, subscribe. Where am I going to see you? In the next video. Bye for now.